University of Alabama in Huntsville is reporting cases of whooping cough have been identified on campus. Thank you for joining us for News 19 at 4. I'm Lauren Layton.
And I'm Greg Screws. And university leaders tell us there are a limited number of cases on campus, and they're taking precautions to prevent the spread of infection. And News 19's Archie Snowden joins us live from UAH. And New at 4 tells us what school health officials are doing to prevent the spread of this.
That's right, Greg. And keep in mind that the whooping cough, or pertussis, is a highly contagious bacterial infection that is spread through the air, and it should not be ignored. Now, health experts say it may start out as a cold or flu-like symptoms and sneezing and runny nose, followed by that cough that can become gradually worse. Now, symptoms can appear anywhere between 5 to 21 days after the infection. The Alabama Department of Public Health is reporting that a resurgence in infections of whooping cough in the entire state and urges folks to be on the lookout for those symptoms.
The overarching message is this is an old disease. We're seeing some resurgence in it, and we want to encourage people to be vaccinated appropriately and also to be on the lookout for this and to be assessed by their physician, tested and treated appropriately if they have this disease.
Now, the university did release a statement to News 19 on how they are taking preventive methods on how to protect and care for yourself if you are exposed or diagnosed. We'll hear more from the ADPH and a statement from the UAH, and that's coming up, of course, in the next hour. For now, we're live in Huntsville. Archie Snowden, News 19.